Over millions of years, the contributions bees make to our planet are there for all to see. They provide humans with the sugar our bodies need and the necessities for making all kinds of food. To defend against predators, they've evolved extraordinary abilities. Although the lethality of a bee is limited, but collectively they are powerful, and one of their natural enemies is the bumblebee. The size of the Asian bumblebee is also the largest of all wasp species. Their body length can reach up to 5 centimeters, and they are carnivorous animals. Well-equipped bumblebee has a 6-centimeter long tail form and an oversized jaw. Just a bumblebee, in just 1 minute, kill 40 bees. But killing wasn't its goal. What it wants most is the chrysalis in the hive. And this hive hides as many as 1,000 juicy bee larvae. But these bee larvae are protected by 20,000 worker bees. This is equivalent to a heavily guarded and solid fortress. In order to get bee pupae, it has to get past 20,000 worker bee first. Certainly, this bumblebee wasn't stupid enough to just rush in. It starts to release a special chemical to around. The nest of bees has been marked by it. The chemical scent will be carried dozens of kilometers away by the wind. Some companions who were foraging would come upon it the news. And bumblebees can fly over 90 kilometers in a day. With the addition of these paratroopers, the killing also began. They slaughter bees easily, very fast. Soon the sappers on the outskirts of the bee's nest are completely defeated by bumblebees. Now, they are also starting to attack the inside of the hive. In the eyes of the bumblebees, all of these are like lambs to the slaughter. But the weak bees also have their own counterattack strategies. Bees collectively release a pheromone. This kind of information will get them out in groups and circle the predators in the nest. Although they don't have jaws to bite, they can round up bumblebees and continue to contract the flight muscles. Each bee can contract the flight muscle to emit a faint heat, but when there are many bees, the heat generated is enough to kill the bumblebee inside. By a thermal camera, we can see the temperature inside is constantly rising. 47 degrees Celsius is enough to kill bumblebees, but if the temperature is higher, then the bees will also die. This precise thermal strike can roast this predator alive. This battle was undoubtedly very tragic. Bumblebees fight for food, bees fight for protection. Finally, the united bees won the victory. So, in nature, even the weakest bees can also defeat their natural enemies several times greater.